everyone, and welcome back to Made to Order a la Orden. I'm Chef Z, and I have been gone for far too long. I know you guys have been wondering, where have I been? What's really good with these recipes, and when are you coming back? In fact, this is the third time I filmed this video because it has been a struggle bus. But nonetheless, I'm here to tell you guys exactly what I've been up to. I'm going to make not one, but two huge announcements. And I'm also going to update you guys on some changes coming to the channel. But don't worry, because I promise it's all good news. Okay, so first things first. Where has your girl been? I have been working, taking time off, and working during said time off. Yes, okay, so what you guys don't know is that my boyfriend and I actually moonlight as designers, and we have designed a bunch of different things, and we've done a bunch of different DIY projects in the time that we've been together. In fact, in my very early YouTube videos, when I used to film at my mom's kitchen, that kitchen island that you guys saw me filming and cooking at all the time was something that we actually built together. It was our very, very first project, and we just kind of fell in love with home renovations and DIYs, and we kind of created a monster. And so we do these projects during our off time. And our latest project was actually redesigning and building my mom's bathroom. And like any home renovation project, that project just took way longer to finish than we had anticipated, which kind of kept us off of YouTube for a little bit. But the bathroom is done, and may I say, it is very, very gorgeous. And before you guys even ask, yes, I have vlogged the whole entire thing. I just kind of have to put it together, edit it, and it will be up on my channel. But I'll go a little bit more into detail about that later. Okay, so you guys are probably wondering, what is this big announcement? Or two big announcements. So first things first, drum roll please. Okay, so I am finally happy to announce that I have updated my website, Chef.zee Cooks. She has a whole new facelift. She looks brand new. Shout out to the new logo, which I just absolutely love. So if you were to go on my website right now, it looks completely different. We have redesigned it to make it much easier to navigate. It's so much more visual, so you'll notice there is a lot more pictures, but more importantly, it is up to date. So all the recipes that you see here on my YouTube channel are also on my website. And I encourage you guys to constantly go back and check out my website, because I'm going to make it more than just a regular website where I'm dumping all of my YouTube videos. In fact, before I was ever on YouTube, I actually had another food blog, and I had it for years, like throughout college and after college. And I love to write. It's actually what I went to college for. So I want to feature some articles on there about, for example, like tips and tricks on how to keep your kitchen clean, and, best places to have brunch in Queens or Brooklyn, Manhattan, Long Island, what have you. So always check back on that. And my second announcement is, another drum roll. I like the drum rolls. I have added a new member to the Chef.zee family. No, I'm not pregnant, and no, I don't have another dog, even though I really, really want one. Instead, my boyfriend and I have launched La-Bodeguita.com. Now, you guys are probably asking me, Z, what is that? Hold your horses, because you guys are going to be really excited. La-Bodeguita is our very own corner store bodega. Now, a lot of you guys are always asking me, Z, where can I find Dominican oregano? What's good with those carderos that you're always using to cook? So I've actually partnered up with some local supermarkets to bring you guys those very same items that are either hard to find where you live, or that you just love that you see me using here on my channel. I encourage you to always go back and check the store, because I'm going to be expanding the offerings, and from time to time, I'll even put things on sale. Be sure to follow me on social media, on my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Twitter, because those announcements will most likely happen there. But that's not to say that I won't jump on my YouTube channel real quickly and let you guys know what's up with La-Bodeguita.com. It's the newest member to the family. I'm so excited to be doing this for you guys. So go ahead and show love and comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see at the store. Okay. So now third thing, what is up with the channel? What are the changes that are coming? Now, before you guys get all crazy and like, oh my God, she's quitting. What's happening? Just know that change is not always a bad thing. In fact, change can be a good thing. Now, first things first, those Dominican, those Cuban, those traditional Hispanic recipes that you guys just absolutely love, those are not going anywhere. Those recipes are here to stay. However, I will be expanding on the types of recipes that you see me doing here on my channel. Now, when it comes to those Hispanic recipes, you guys love them and you guys trust me with that. So also trust me when I show you guys some different types of recipes. I want to just kind of show you guys some of the things I also like to eat. Like, I'm really, really big on Thai food, and I'm constantly like fusing together different recipes, and I want to share that excitement with you, and I also want to share those recipes with you here on my channel. And not only that, but I'll also be vlogging so much more. I'm at that point in my YouTube career and just in my personal life where I'm actually ready to let you guys in a little bit more. I mentioned earlier that my boyfriend and I, we moonlight as designers. We redesigned my mom's bathroom. As you guys know, we designed and we built this beautiful kitchen right here behind me. And I want to start featuring that a little bit more because we have learned so much and we do it ourselves. Like, this is just a passion project. And I'm always showing you guys like behind the scenes on my Instagram stories. And a lot of you guys have expressed interest. I'm like, you know what? Why not? Let's do it. I'm also going to be vlogging just my personal life, honestly. Like when I go to the store, to the supermarket, when I'm brunching in New York City, just, the day-to-day, I want to bring that to here too. Now, I'm not going to turn this into a vlogging channel at all. It's still going to be mainly food focused, but I'm going to throw some things in there, they're just a little different, para variar un poco, you know what I mean? And the other thing I want to kind of start featuring on my channel is I really want to let you guys know who the Chef.zee family is. Chef.zee is not just me. Chef.zee is also my boyfriend, and I want to start bringing him from behind the camera to in front of the camera. He's not too crazy about the idea, but he's coming. Comment down below if you guys want us to do the boyfriend tag or a boyfriend Q&A, or if you guys just want to meet him. He's awesome. Look at that. He's saying, babe, you're coming. I don't care what you say. Guys, he's playing me. He is really playing me.
Oh, pay no attention to that man behind the curtain.
I really want to feature him here on the channel because he's also just kind of like a wealth of knowledge. He cooks his off as well, and he's just awesome. So comment down below, let me know if you'd like to see him as well. Let me know anything else that you'd like to see here on my channel. That's kind of it for now. So in essence, we have an all-new website. Well, two, we have an updated blog, we have La-Bodeguita, we have some new changes coming to the channel. Like I said before, comment down below. Let me know if there's any videos or recipes that you'd want me to make because I am writing it all down. I always do, and I plan all my videos ahead of time. And until next time, very soon, I'll see you guys with an all-new recipe. Y buen provecho. We're back. Got the mojo back. What's my mojo dance? That's probably creepy as hell. Oh, it feels good to finally be back. I really miss this. Like, oh my God.